It is now 3:14. Keep sending him a challenge. He's not accepting it. As you can see, he has 1 minute to get in the game or it's a forfeit. Match is for 3 o'clock, as you can see. 3:14 in the corner, right there. It's now 3:15. Still not accepting it. That's his gamer tag, Sperry95. Got another minute. Check again. Still say sent. So automatically a forfeit. Give it a 3:16. Back out. Check again. He denied the challenge, as you see in the corner. Send him another one. Still 3:15. He has a few seconds to get in. Yeah, Mom, I'm coming. It's 3:16. Means he's a forfeit. He didn't accept the challenge, as you see right there. It's a forfeit.